is our second week of quarantine, and I hope you guys are hanging in there. I've been keeping myself really busy, just been doing a lot of stuff around the house and just rearranging and organizing and staying healthy, doing a lot of recipes, learning how to cook, and just trying to figure out what's next on the next day. So let's stay strong and let's keep going. Everything's gonna be okay. Just stay healthy, take your vitamins, stay home, and don't go anywhere. What I do on my everyday routine of how I usually wear my hair on the daily basis. So I wanted to show you guys a few of the products that I use, and we use these at the hair salon, and it's called Truss Professional. This is a Brazilian line, so it's not everywhere. I think they're trying to branch out and they're growing right now, but so far these are my two favorite ones. They work for me. Again, I have really fine hair, really, I want to say thin, not too thick, and my hair is very dry, so it absorbs a lot of product. If I put too much, it'll be too heavy. So these work for me really well. And this one is the Amino hairspray from Truss, and it's kind of like a shiner also, but a heat protectant. And this one here is called the Truss Miracle Deluxe Prime, and this one gives nourishment. So this is going to give you a lot of nourishment to your hair when it's really dry, really damaged, just overly processed from bleach, chemicals, or just from flat ironing. So these two I'm going to use. And usually I put it mostly where it's like the most damaged. Usually apply these products when my hair is still wet. I want to say like maybe like 75% wet, not fully dry. You can still use it when it's dry. It's not going to change a lot of the texture of it, but it works better for me when it's wet. So just going to spray it everywhere. And I'm going to show you guys how I do. I'm going to do a quick blowout. Okay, so that's my blowout. I left the heavy part because I want to do a style that I did for New Year's, and I really liked it, and I want to just replicate that today with using my extensions. So I wanted to show you guys, when I wear my hair on the usual, I usually have clip-ons because I have this little problem. These hairs here, and I know a lot of you ladies have this problem. I don't have a lot of hair on the sides, or not that I don't have a lot of hair, it's just it takes forever to grow out. All the little baby hairs, either I keep shedding and they take forever to grow out. So meanwhile, I need to use clip-ons, and I usually just put like two on the sides right here. So I'm going to show you guys what I usually do. I have two clip-ons that are already cut to the length of my. I'm going to show you guys how I apply them, and you're going to need a teasing comb. So I usually start off like right around here, and I just kind of do a straight line all the way back as far as I can. Okay, we're gonna clip this back. So we're gonna tease the roots right here, and this is just for the extensions not to slip off, because sometimes I feel like I'll tug on it a little bit and it'll come off, and when you tease this, it's more secure. You won't have a problem. So I'm going to do it in the two sections where I'm putting the clips, and to secure that even better, I have this little Puff Me powder spray, which has done wonders for me. You can use this for volumizing. I like to use it for this. So you're gonna spray just a tiny bit right there and a tiny bit right where I teased both areas. And I'm gonna apply the extension right at the tease section. And see, that is really secured. All right, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so that's that side. So see, already that just gives me the length that I want. This side, I'm gonna do like a tucked section like this, and I'm gonna put a really nice cute clip, and I'm gonna tuck it back here. So I'm gonna start with this one a little bit further back. Usually you would start at the front, but since I want to tuck my hair behind my ear, I'm gonna do it just a little bit more further back. For the loose waves, you want to use like maybe about an inch wand, I guess. I think this is a 1 inch or 1.5 inches. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna lightly curl it. I want it to look like a blowout, but since these already kind of have a curl in it, let's start with this section right here. I want it to be soft. So you can grab really thick sections, and I like to go just kind of over and going backwards. I kind of want to do like that Marilyn Monroe, or like those, like, I want to say pin-up hairstyles. Section back. I don't know if I left some hair out. I think I left a little bit out that day. I'm gonna just tuck this section out, and I'm gonna do it right over my ear. So this, I'm gonna secure right behind it. So this is it. It's the end result. Super simple, very soft, nice blowout, a few curls, and a little nice statement piece. You guys can add bobby pins if you guys want. I got these from Claire's. I use these for New Year's. They're super cute. You guys remember, like, kind of like Marilyn Monroe's hair was like wavy, but not like super tight curls, just kind of like it looks natural. And I'm gonna do this one little section, just a little bit. There we go. Super simple. This is really simple and really fast. Right now it probably took longer just because I was like filming, but it shouldn't take that long. It's super easy. I don't go anywhere without my clip-ons. Like, it really just makes me feel like I have a lot more hair. It looks fuller, it looks longer. So yeah, there's little secrets and tricks of giving yourself a little bit of volume, giving yourself a little bit of length if that's your issue. There's extensions. I hope you guys enjoy this over your weekend, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.